Hi everyone, this is Kathy Grosskurth with Bookkeeping Clean and Simple here in Austell, Georgia near Metro Atlanta, and today is part 6 of my series on setting up a brand new QuickBooks Online file. And we are still in the Kathy's Bookkeeping and Test file. Here, as you can see, I've done a lot of work since we were last here. I cleared out this owner's investment account. I've also cleared out this owner pay and personal expenses account, which you'll see when I run the reports. And I also cleared out this owner's retained equity account and just adjusted everything to retained earnings. And you'll see all that when I get ready to show you the reports, which are right here. And as you can see, this is the balance sheet run as of December 31st, 2020. And you can see that everything is in here as it should be. And to compare it to the report that's already in here, and I ran this both in cash and accrual, so that way I'm going to show you that you can see that the totals are the same. The total liabilities and owner's equity is $22,998.18. Same on here, so that way when I show you the comparables, you'll see what it looks like. So again, my goal in doing this was basically so that you can see that the amounts in the LG checking and savings match what's on here, as well as what's on the Fidelity Rewards Visa is on here. Now this net income figure comes from the profit and loss that I'm getting ready to show you in just a few minutes. But some of these other adjustments I didn't need to, I needed to kind of tie those out based on the fact that I didn't enter these two accounts from USA. So these basically had to tie into this, and so you probably wouldn't do this regularly if you were setting up a regular company file. And the other thing I will say is that if you're using a Schedule C or some other tax return form where you're putting in those balances, you may have to be a little creative if you don't have the breakdowns of how all this should be entered into your file as far as the granular entering of the stuff. But here's the profit and loss, and I will show you as far as the profit and loss goes. I did this one as well in cash and in accrual. So, and these numbers do tie out. So if you look at the net income figure, remember we talked about this last time where everything tied into the penny to everything that's in here, and I had to add a few extra accounts. I forgot to mention that last time. So, and same thing running it in the accrual method here. And that's because I didn't enter any, oh, okay, so I don't know why that did that, but anyway, I'll go ahead and show it to you, the whole thing. So you can see $23,897.69 and showing that report to you. Oops, wrong one. Here we go. $23,897.69. And generally they want you to run these in accrual base if you have accounts payable and accounts receivable in order to make the comparisons and stuff like that. But since I didn't have any of that, running it in cash and accrual basically gave me the same numbers here. So now I want to go ahead and show you what I did as far as, and these are as of December 2020, the last day of December is what those totals are. And let me go back to the balance sheet so you can see again that, you know, I do have some balances in here, and I did have to adjust. And remember I said that I had to adjust these out as of 1/1/2021 to zero these out. So if we go to the profit and loss, actually if we go to the balance sheet that I ran as of 1/1/2021, you can see that that's exactly what I did. All these have been zeroed out, and now retained earnings has a balance in it. And so when I went in, and again, same thing, I ran in both cash and accrual. And so the numbers are the same, basically no change because I didn't have any accounts payable or accounts receivable in there. And then I also ran a year, I ran a monthly report where you can see that I did have a few transactions, and these again are the ones that I entered from the banking center for that Fidelity Visa, which I need to reconcile, and for some reason it's not letting me go into the transaction detail for that, which is not a big deal. So we just won't be able to see that, but just suffice it to say that these amounts are from that Fidelity Visa. Remember how it crossed over 12/31 and the ending date on that was 1/14/2021. Well, these transactions are from the banking center for that. So I just wanted to point that out. So anyway, that's where I have completed to this point. And the last thing I need to do is to do the bank reconciliations for the credit card and for the 2 banking accounts, and I will do that next time, and that should finish up the setup process. So I will do that for the next video, and then from there we'll work on doing maybe some cleanup tasks and stuff like that. So hopefully that'll help you. Y'all take care, everyone, and have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching. I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel and share it with others. My goal is to publish at least 1 new video per week on QuickBooks Desktop or online topics, the occasional motivational video, and a few surprises thrown in here and there. I would love to talk to you about how to help you optimize your knowledge and usage of QuickBooks Desktop or online. My Calendly link is in the slide. Please use that to reach out to me to schedule a free 45-minute initial consult. I would love to talk to you about your QuickBooks Desktop or online training needs. Again, have a wonderful day, and until next time, we'll see you soon. Take care.